6, not 16. Today is September 8th. It's me, Jules, making a video. This is really crazy. Right now, I'm inside the house, and I can hear some really loud noise. I'm recording right now. I hear someone screaming, and something's going on. It's really freaky. Whatever that is that's out there, it's pretty freaky out. I heard it a couple of times, and this noise might be coming back. But it was pretty strange, and oh, there it goes again. There it goes again. Holy shit. Do you hear it? Do you hear that? It's coming from inside my room. And it's coming from back there. Oh no. Something's not right. I think there's something mysterious happening here. And this may be the noise I've been hearing since late February, and this noise is continuing, and this is still different, and I can hear it. Oh my god, what the fuck is that noise? Seriously, what is that noise? Okay, it's raining, and you hear a bunch of noises out there. It's like someone dropped a bomb or boom. Okay, that's it, folks.